In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Excel not recognizing dates. If you have ever imported or copied data into Excel and noticed that dates in your spreadsheet are not behaving like real dates, this quick workflow will help. The goal is to take the text-based dates in one column and force Excel to convert them into proper date values. First, select column A containing the unformatted text dates. Make sure you are selecting the entire column that holds those date entries. You want Excel to apply the conversion process to all of the rows in that column, not just a single cell. As you select column A, you may notice that the values might look like dates, but Excel treats them as plain text, so sorting and filtering can be inconsistent. Next, click the Data tab on the top ribbon. This is where Excel places the tools for working with and transforming data. When you switch to the Data tab, you will be looking for a section called Data Tools, since that is where the conversion wizard you need is located. Now click the Text to Columns button in the Data Tools group. Even though you might think you are not converting columns, this feature is the best way to make Excel reevaluate the text. When you click Text to Columns, a wizard will appear. Do not worry about choosing the wrong option at first. The wizard is designed to guide you step by step. On the wizard pop-up box, select Delimited and click Next. The delimited choice tells Excel that it should interpret the content as separate pieces based on separators, even though in this case we are mainly using the wizard to trigger date recognition. After you click Next, you will move to the next screen, where delimiter settings are shown. Now uncheck all delimiter checkboxes on the next screen and click Next again. This matters because we do not want Excel to split the date text into multiple columns based on commas, tabs, spaces, or other separators. If you uncheck everything, Excel keeps each date value intact and focuses on converting it. Take a moment here to visually confirm that none of the delimiter boxes are selected, and then proceed by clicking Next. Click the Date Radio option button in the Column Data Format section. This tells Excel that the content you are working with should be treated as a date. Choosing the Date option is the key part of making Excel understand the structure of the values, so Excel will stop treating them as plain text. Next, choose your date orientation layout, such as MDY or DMY, from the drop-down. This step depends on how the dates are written in your data. For example, if your month comes first and then the day, you would select MDY. If your day comes first and then the month, you would select DMY. Make sure you match the drop-down setting to the actual order shown in your spreadsheet, because the conversion depends on this exact structure. Finally, click Finish to force Excel to convert text strings to real dates. Once you click Finish, Excel applies the conversion to the selected column. After the conversion completes, you should see that Excel now recognizes the values as dates. This typically improves sorting, filtering, and any calculations that rely on date logic. To verify that the conversion worked, you can click one of the cells in the converted column and check whether it behaves like a date. For example, you can sort the column and see that the ordering is chronological rather than alphabetical. If Excel recognizes it as a date, it will follow the rules it uses for date values. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.